Teen charged after burglary confession to mom. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A teenage boy was arrested and charged with burglary and larceny after he confessed to his mother that he committed the crimes on Monday, August 22nd. Reports from the Seaford police station in St. Thomas are that on May 21st, a man securely locked his house and left. Upon his return around 10:45 p.m., he discovered that his house had been broken into and several items were missing, including $150,000, cellular phone credits, and a cellular phone. On August 22nd, the teen was arrested and charged after he confessed to his mother that he had committed the crimes. His mother also returned what was left of the cash along with the cellular phone. The teen is awaiting a court date. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.